What's going on, folks? My name is Randy Webb, and I've been an entrepreneur now for the past 7 years. If you were anything like I was, you got invited to a webinar because someone was excited about a financial revolution that is changing lives around the globe, teaching people about money and about the rules of money so they can create wealth for their family. So we're going to jump to the information now. First of all, I want you to write this down, the 5 rules of money. If you can apply this in any way into your lifestyle, folks, this will be a way that you can build wealth, no matter if you do what we're talking about today or you decide to do something else. Number 1 rule is protect your money. What do we mean by that? We've been taught growing up that to protect our money, we must put it inside of a bank account. I want you to think, what type of benefits does the bank give you today? Are you making any interest on the money that is sitting in your savings account? But it's crazy that what we're going to show you is the banks are making a lot of money based off the money you are depositing to your bank account, whether it's a couple $100. They know how to put it into a market called the foreign exchange, in which a majority of the world's currency is held at, which is absolutely powerful. So we're going to show you the power of leverage, bringing us to rule number 2, finding something to leverage outside of yourself. See, most of us were taught to go to school, get good grades, and then get a good job, and we in turn become employees for 40 years of our life, if not more, and that is not the wealth zone. So today, we're going to teach you how to leverage a broker and the power behind it. Number 3, finding a way to create money. Now, as you know, the central banks, no matter where you are in the world, central banks, Federal Reserves, they have the right to print money whenever they want to. Understand that is impacting you no matter what country that you're in. Anytime that money is printed, it devalues that currency, and therefore the people are affected by the things that they can buy inside that economy. Bringing us to rule number 4, finding a way to compound your income instead of compounding your debt. Most people are taught to compound their debt, to get credit cards and get things of that sort. We're going to show you how to be the lender and not to borrow, folks. You see, I know that compound interest is one of the 8 wonders of the world, and he who understands it earns it. He who does not will always pay it. And that's why over 90% of the world is paying some shape or form a tax, a compound interest, right? And so we want to change that up and show you how to actually equate your income to compounding in the same way. And lastly, being able to create generational wealth. So folks, let's jump right into the information. Welcome to I Am Master Academy. Personally, like I've said, I've been an entrepreneur for the past 7 years. Me and my wife have been free because of the concept that you're about to see right now. And so what we focus on, folks, is teaching people really the power of those 5 rules of money, how to leverage. Today, you're taught 2 ways to get paid: how to work for someone else, or maybe how to work for yourself, but not how to leverage on top of that. You see, 95% of the population of the world accounts for only 5% of the wealth when they work for someone else or when they work for themselves. That's you exchanging your time for money. Well, when we look at our business owners, right? Someone who owns a franchise, someone who understands how to make money when they're not there. Those are your business owners that understand the power of leverage. And then you have your investors. They know how to get their money to actually work for them. There's nothing between that 5% and you, except they had information and they applied. So we're going to give you some information that you can apply in your life today so that you can start building wealth today. You see, 5% of that group right there, business owners and investors, they control 95% of the wealth. Here in the United States, 1% controls 57 trillion, while the bottom 50% control 1.7 trillion. So you can see the large gap there. So wonder if you have the information to compound your income. What type of things would you do in your life today? Would you travel, right? Send your kids to the best colleges, live in the neighborhood of your choice, do what you want to do when you want to do it, and you don't have to go to your boss and say, can I get some time off? No, you absolutely have financial freedom. And I believe that is absolutely powerful. So let me show you the power of compound income. This is just an example, folks. There are no guarantees, but we want to show you, if we were able to show you a way to create 15% in profit per week on your account, would that be powerful? I hope you're automatically saying yes, because today most people are investing in the stock market or mutual funds, getting someone else to manage their account, and they're barely making 4% per year, along with all the other fees that come along with it. So look at this example here. You start with a beginning balance in a trading account of $100, and then with some type of strategy, we show you how to produce 15% per week. So we look $100, you make $15 the first week. Okay, the second week you make $17.25. The third week you make $19.84. The fourth week you make $20.81. This may not seem like a big deal, but I want you to look at the big picture as we compound. You made 75% on the money that you put in your account. Think about this today. What in your life can you compound that much income? Well, as we fast forward, let's go to basically 6 months in the game. You take a $100 account to $2,800. This is assuming that you're growing 15% per week. Your 27th week, it's 4,353. And then as we progress on, just going to the end, each week we're growing by 15%. Well, if you were to put 1 year into the program that we're going to talk about, folks, this is our 52 weeks to freedom is what I like to call it. You can take a $100 account to $143,000 with the right education. And that's what our platform provides. So welcome to I Am Mastery Academy, where we're going to teach you how to trade in one of the largest financial markets in the world to date, folks. There's $6.6 trillion circulated in the foreign exchange market. So what is Forex? It's where we're able to exchange one country's currency, okay, for another country's currency, and we can do it digitally. All you have to do is push sell or buy on an app that you're going to download, and we're going to teach you exactly how to use it, when to sell, when to buy. You can also learn about a digital currency market like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, all the new digital currencies that are out there. Folks, understand that this is going to be the gold of your time. I believe one of the largest wealth transfers is upon us and is about to happen. But if you don't understand how to position yourself, you will miss out on it. So welcome to our Foreign Exchange Mastery Academy, where we teach you from being a basic Forex trader to becoming an advanced trader, folks, like going through your doctorate's course. But the great part about this is you get to earn while you learn. I like to say we have a program called Copy, Paste, Learn, and Share. Okay. We also have our high frequency Forex where you can make money in minutes. We literally have educators that are going to walk you trade by trade, tell you when to sell, tell you when to buy, and literally the trade close out within 1 to 3 minutes. Absolutely powerful. And then of course we have our digital currency market where we teach you about the blockchain and ICOs and the different participants in the digital currency market and how you can capitalize and create wealth. So we make our platform very simple where you can master the markets and know exactly what you're doing so that you can build real wealth and freedom for your family. So what you get with our product is access to over 100 plus full-time educators, which are our traders, documented 6-figure, 7-figure, and even some of our traders are 8-figure earners, folks, meaning they've perfected the strategy so much that they were able to go into this market and really create wealth and then teach others how to do the same thing. So you get to copy off of what these strategies, these educators are doing inside the market in real time. So you're learning from the best, you're getting mentored from the best, and you get to wrap it around your personal schedule. So it doesn't matter how busy you are. You may say, well, Randy, I only have 30 minutes a day. If you just take 10 minutes of that 30 minutes that you have free to watch a couple videos, you will be farther along than where you're at today. Really teach you the lingo of how to go into this financial market and really capitalize on how the banks are making money and how you can make money as a retail trader. So here's some of the different strategies and assistant tools that our company provides so that it can help you along the way. One of those is the harmonic scanner, which comes with your first level membership. What this does is give you your sell opportunities or your buy opportunities. And if you look at the chart here, it tells you where to put your stop loss at, which means if the trade goes the opposite way, it will basically take you out of the trade so that you keep your assets in place. Or you have your entry point. This is where you're going to do a market execution, meaning you go into the trade and then you're going to put your target point in, whether it's TP1 or TP2. Once the price hits that point, it literally takes the money from the market and places it into your brokerage account. You just earn money just like that. And so these are the tools that we provide to you, like Vibrata. So this is a system that we're working right now, folks, with Legacy Worldwide. Vibrata, you get trade ideas all day long. So imagine you don't have to know anything, but we teach you how to enter and exit a trade. And then we have successful traders who have made multiple 5 figures and 6 figures. When they throw trade ideas, you have the option to copy off exactly what they're doing. And then you learn from it. And then you can actually share with others how you did it. Then we have a steady program. This is copy and paste. We have 2 top traders in our company right now that are very hot, very good at what they do. And they're showing ways to institutionally trade with inside the organization, folks. So definitely some to look into. And of course, we have a lot of other strategies that you can plug into. We also have a learn and earn program where you can download apps like Gold Cup, Swipe Trades, Swipe Coins. All of these apps are money-making apps where you can copy trade ideas from successful traders. So you may be asking, what does it cost? Well, let me tell you, before I was very familiar with Forex, I didn't realize that it was thousands of dollars that some people paid to learn how to trade, to learn this skill that is typically taught on Wall Street, Okay. But now today, I Am Master Academy has bust open the game by disrupting two industries. Okay. The first industry that they disrupted was the foreign exchange industry, because typically someone, who of a high caliber who knows how to trade, they can charge you thousands of dollars for a couple of days of training, $5,000 for a weekend training, or $25,000 to start for the entire year, which there's another online academy that does that. But because we want to impact the globe in a major way, and we understand that money can be an issue for a majority of people, we wanted to make our program affordable, not cheap, but affordable, where we're offering you the best of the best education in the industry. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a part of I Am Master Academy. I am saying that because I am proof of being successful in the trading game now because of this academy that I've completed. And so here's our program, folks. If you want to join the Forex Academy, okay, it's $235 or $234.95 to start today. No additional fees after that, okay? And then in 30 days, your monthly, if you want to stay with the program, is $174.95. This comes with your Mastery Academy, Go Live, where you get access to the 100 plus educators. And then you have your first strategy that we give you with a harmonic scanner, okay? Now we have folks who like to make money on a more higher, fast pace. Maybe you want to make money in minutes, and I'm serious. We have successful traders that are telling you exactly by the seconds when to sell, when to buy on live sessions. Folks, this is $235 to get started, and it's $175 a month to maintain the membership once again. And then we have our digital currency pack, same cost. And if you want to get everything, okay, maybe you're the person like I want to learn Forex. I want to learn high frequency Forex. I want to learn digital currency. This is like going and getting your doctor's degree, right? You go through all the levels, you know everything about the financial markets, and you really plug in. If you know you are fast paced and you're going to be serious about your education, I will advise you to go ahead and go elite. It's $325 one time, folks. That's it. And then you pay $274 a month. This is like going to a university, college, okay? But while you're going to college, they're paying you for the career you're about to go into. Okay, you're going to be able to go into this field and learn and earn at the same time. So understand, this is a great program to be involved with as you get real-time mentorship. Here's the additional call for additional strategies inside of our company. So the person who invited you on, they may have something they want to share with you about the strategy they're using. So definitely get to them and ask them what they're doing. So just give you a quick story. When I started this company 2 years ago, I remember the person who was inviting me on, they said, Randy, you don't have to know everything today. We're going to teach you how to enter and exit trades. You just got to open up your broker's account. And they showed me how to do that. They showed me how to push the sell button. They showed me how to push the buy button. And I remember getting on for the first time with my personal mentor, Dr. Kathy Kirkland. And that night I got on, there were over 600 people on that webinar. And she was going over some charts and financial lingo. And I wasn't clear on anything. But I remember that my sponsor said, when she says sell, click the red button. When she says buy, you click the green button. And I said, okay, I can do that. And the first night I remember her saying sell GBP CAD. And I clicked that sell button. I was so nervous. I watched numbers go up. I watched numbers go down. And literally in less than an hour, I made $331 in my first trade, folks. I was excited. Now understand, past results don't equal future results. You do have to put in effort. You do have to learn the system. Understand that trading can be risky, but this is what makes our platform powerful, because you have someone walking you through the way. So needless to say, that night I called my mom, my dad, my brothers. They all signed up on the spot. My sister, she's a little bit more skeptical, but she calls me the next day and she goes, bro, you signed up the whole family, but you didn't give me a call. I said, sis, typically you don't do things like this. She goes, bro, typically I don't want to talk to people about trying to sell them on something, but I heard that I can be a student and make money from the product alone. I said, that's true. She goes, I'm in. It's a no-brainer. And so I waived my fees the first day, and folks, it was a game changer. My whole family trades today. And I believe that everyone listening to this session right now, you should already understand and know about Forex. Why? Because a majority of the world's currency is held in the foreign exchange. Your banker, okay, who you pay your mortgage to, who you pay your fees for your credit cards to, they all participate in the foreign exchange market, folks. The government participates in the foreign exchange market. So this is something you should absolutely know about. So that is what we do. If you like this, you like that portion, the majority of people say yes to saying, hey, I want to get educated. I do want to learn how to trade. But before we start that, I got one last part that I think is very powerful. I believe that, in my research, the start of McDonald's, Okay, I believe we pay way more than a franchise McDonald's owner makes in profit. So I want you to pay attention to what this is. The only thing that it requires from you is sweat equity. That means you're helping our company achieve its goals. And our goal is to sponsor and to help 1 million families across the world over the next 12 months. And if you want to be a part of that, we're going to show you how you can financially benefit by building your own academy within I Am Academy, which is powerful. It's like you building your own franchise. Now, 3 principles I abide by. Number 1, the average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. So I always wonder, why do we continually teach that it's okay to have one? And typically that one is our job, and learn that job stands for just over broke. Number 2, if you don't figure out a way to make money while you sleep, you will work till the day you die. Okay, fact. Number 3, this industry outside of real estate has produced a lot of self-made millionaires and success stories. I'm one of those success stories, and I'm no one special. I just said yes, and I gained some mentors that taught me exactly how to build my business. So here's how you become a business partner with I Am Master Academy. The first goal is to refer 3 customers, okay? Once you refer 3 customers, you can now upgrade to our IBO system, which only costs $15. And now we call you a Platinum 150, which you're making $150 a month. With that in mind, every time that you personally refer a customer, from then you get paid $25 for it. If they do the elite package, you get paid $50 for it. And then here's the rest of the progression. As a Platinum 150, you have 3 personal customers that you get paid $150 a month for, which we break up in weekly payments. So it's $37.50 per week that you get paid. But here's where it gets better. You now show 3 customers how to go out and refer 3 other customers, and now you have a total of 12. You now make $600 a month guaranteed, folks, in residual income. This is the easiest and best compensation plan in the industry. Don't believe me? Go compare us to anyone out there. There's no one paying like I Am Master Academy, where you can have a franchise like this. Like I said, you're going to see the week where we pay more than what a McDonald's franchise owner gets paid after expenses, okay? And you don't have any expenses here. Platinum 1000 is where you have 30 customers. That's $1,000 per month in residual income. Platinum 2000, that's where you make $2,000 a month for just 75 customers, folks. It's $500 a week. Platinum 5000, you're now above the combined household median income in the United States, making $5,000 a month. We have young men and women that are hitting Platinum 5000 within a couple months of being a part of the company, folks. They are now financially free as young men and women in their teens or in their young 20s, okay? It's 225 customers in your organization. You get paid $1,250 every single week. Chairman 10, it took me and my wife 60 days to hit that level. It's 500 customers. It's $2,500 weekly that you get paid. Guaranteed $10,000 a month that you don't have to work for anymore, is that you help create an academy inside of our academy. Okay, Chairman 25, 16 months it took us to hit that level. That's 1,250 customers. That's $25,000 a month guaranteed every single month. When I say this is a game changer for you folks, welcome to I Am Master Academy and the opportunities that it provides to everyone. Of course, we have Chairman 50 where you can make $50,000 a month. You know, Chairman 100 where you can make $100,000 a month, and so forth. The top level in our company is Chairman 500 where you can make $500,000 a month. Here's our income disclosure statement. Understand that you do got to put in work and effort. If you are lazy, this second part may not be for you, okay? But if you have aspirations that you want to make 6 figures, you want to make 7 figures or more, guess what? You're looking at a compensation plan that can absolutely help you if you're willing to put in the effort and the work. So it's very simple, folks. Here's what we'd like you to do. Get back to the person who referred you to this presentation and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. If you're an A, that means you are ready to get started, and they will send their referral link today to get you plugged in. Welcome to the team. If you're a B, that means you're ready to get started, but you have a couple questions. No big deal. They will get those questions answered for you and then get you enrolled into the system. If you're a C and you're not interested, first of all, I want to thank you for taking the time to listen all the way through this webinar and this presentation. And if you ever have any interest, just get back to the person that invited you to this video and plug in with them, folks. So that is my time. I hope you guys had a great session and you learned something from this. And I welcome you to the team, and I pray that you have an abundant year. Let's go.